What's good, guys? It's your boy the Bear King back at it with some more creepy crawly content. So in today's video, we found some crazy web like silk like structures in my garden, and it was in the hard sand. So at first I thought these were spiders, but I saw no evidence that it could be because spiders usually leave the carcasses, the sucked dry sucked whatever carcasses at like the entrance of their little hideout, but there were no signs of any insect carcasses lying around. So I thought, damn, what could it be? And I looked and I saw like it looked like some grub feces, grub droppings, like the grubs that eat wood, if you're an animal or an insect person. Yeah. So but we didn't like it. It looked like that. I found traces of that, so I thought, damn, this is weird, man. So obviously I couldn't dig in front of the garden because that was too hard, so I found like a nice sandy spot. Yeah, so I found like a nice sandy space where I could like dig. It needed to be soft, obviously. Sorry for my finger. And I started digging, and I had to know what it was. I had to know what was going on. So you see me digging with the great flamboyant seed, what do you call it, pod. I didn't have like a mini shovel, so yeah. So I was digging, digging. And at some point, I accidentally broke the structure, meaning that I couldn't get deep enough to like uncover what was down there. So at that point, I had to put the phone down, basically because, yeah, I wanted to bring out the structure intact, meaning not hurting the animal inside as well, and obviously showing you guys properly what animal's home it could be or is. And when I finally did, guys, you guys wouldn't believe, bro. It was actually pretty long. It was about 15, maybe 17 centimeters deep. So like, just check this out. Come on now. There we go. Okay, that's its butt. So as you can see, this is actually some sort of larva of a moth or a butterfly or something. I don't know. They don't have records of any silk. Okay, they do have records of silk producing larvae, caterpillars this side, but they weren't the same species as this. And I couldn't find much on it, but I'll keep doing my research and then we'll come back with another video just to update you guys on what I find, if I find anything. So I decided, yeah, it's about time, and I'm happy that I kept it intact, because like at least now I can put it back and it can continue growing and doing its thing, metamorphosis into whatever it's going to metamorphose into. But it didn't look like a predatory species, so it probably eats like the dried leaves around its hide, which is pretty cool. So I just buried it back where I found it, tried my best to cover it as best as I could, making sure like to keep the sand as soft as possible so it can like just rekindle or reconstruct its hide's circular shape, So yeah, guys, I checked back the next day and it was fine. So yeah. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Like and subscribe. I'll be back with an update on this, and peace.